Artificial intelligence (AI) is drastically altering the nature of labor in the future and how organizations run. From voice assistants on smartphones to self-driving vehicles and business predictive analytics tools, it has become an indispensable part of our everyday lives. The increasing advancement and accessibility of AI technology has created several avenues for folks to generate income via diverse approaches. In this video, we will discuss how to make money through artificial intelligence, whether you are an AI expert or someone with no technical background. There are several methods to take use of AI's potential and earn a consistent income, ranging from working as a freelancer or developing AI-based products to investing in AI businesses. Now let's get started and investigate the fascinating options. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Pursue a career in AI-related fields. Entering the AI industry as a professional is the most direct route to financial success. As businesses from all sectors use AI to streamline their operations and get a competitive advantage, there is an increasing need for AI specialists. AI engineers, data scientists, machine learning specialists, and consultants are in great demand and pay well for their work. You'll need a solid grasp of machine learning algorithms, statistical analysis, and coding languages like Python and R to begin a career in artificial intelligence. These are the kinds of abilities that may be obtained via online courses, certificates, or an AI degree program. If you have a strong background in AI, you may apply for jobs, work as a freelancer, and provide businesses with your knowledge. Develop AI-powered products. Incorporating AI technology into goods or services is another approach to profit from AI. Innovative AI-powered goods and services that may improve people's lives are in great demand as AI becomes more widely used. For example, you may build a chatbot or virtual assistant to help organizations automate processes or respond to client inquiries. You must recognize an issue that AI can answer, have a solid grasp of AI technologies, and possess the necessary technical know-how to build a successful AI-based solution. Though it may be difficult and time-consuming, it can be a profitable source of money if you have a fantastic concept and the will to see it through to completion. Offer AI consulting services. You may provide consultancy services to organizations if you have a solid foundation in artificial intelligence and are knowledgeable about its applications. Since many businesses are still in the early phases of using AI, they could need direction and assistance. You may create a plan for the deployment of AI, provide advice on the best AI solutions for their requirements, and assist them in understanding how AI can improve their operations as a consultant. Strong communication and problem-solving abilities, as well as in-depth understanding of AI technology and their applications, are prerequisites for becoming an AI consultant. Writing about AI and giving speeches at industry gatherings are other ways to expand your network and enhance your reputation, which may open up additional consulting chances. Create AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants. Businesses are using chatbots and virtual assistants more often because they help automate processes, enhance customer service, and save expenses. If you know how to program, you can create chatbots or virtual assistants with AI capabilities and market them to companies that want to use this technology. Without having a lot of coding experience, creating chatbots and virtual assistants is made simple by a number of platforms and technologies including Dialogflow, Chatful, and Amazon Lex. Additionally, you may create a recurring revenue stream by providing your customers with customization and maintenance services. Participate in AI-based competitions and challenges. A number of challenges and contests are periodically offered for developers, businesses, and people to present their AI-based solutions. These contests provide financing, cash awards, and other benefits, making them an attractive option for generating money using artificial intelligence. The Google Cloud and Data Science Competition, Kaggle contests, and Microsoft AI Idea Challenge are a few well-known competitions. By taking part in these contests, you may also improve your reputation, expand your portfolio, and draw in possible investors or customers. It's also a great chance to push yourself and enhance your AI abilities. Offer AI training and education. Demand for qualified experts who can assist companies in making the most of AI is rising as more companies use it. If you are enthusiastic about teaching and have experience with AI, you may provide organizations and people with training and educational services. This might include giving practical instruction and coaching in addition to teaching AI ideas, tools, and approaches. You may engage in AI training programs run by educational institutions or online learning platforms, or you can provide in-person instruction or online courses. As the need for AI specialists is predicted to increase, providing AI education and training might be a reliable source of revenue. Invest in AI companies. You can invest in AI firms if you have the money and don't want to be actively involved. The artificial intelligence AI sector is growing quickly, and several firms are popping up with cutting-edge AI-based goods and services. If these businesses' goods are successful, investing in them might result in a sizable return on your capital. However, there are dangers associated with investing in startups, so before making any decisions, Make sure you do your homework and consult a specialist. Investing in well-established businesses that use AI and have a history of development and success is another option. Sell AI-related products or services online. The growth of e-commerce has created many chances for the online sale of goods and services, including AI-related ones. You may create software or solutions with AI capabilities and promote them on your website or in online marketplaces. As an alternative, you may work as a freelancer or via your company to provide AI-based services to businesses, including data classification, annotation, and model training. Reaching a larger audience with an online presence is simpler, and because there is a growing market for AI-related goods and services, this may be a good way to profit from AI. Conduct AI research and publish papers. You may carry out research and write articles on a variety of AI-related subjects if you have experience with AI and a strong interest in the field. This might include studying novel algorithms, using AI in various businesses, or developing AI technology. Your articles may be shared on research networks like ArcSip, presented at conferences, or published in scholarly publications. Not only may you gain reputation and recognition by publishing papers and giving presentations at conferences, but you can also draw in new customers or job prospects. Numerous businesses want to be abreast of the most recent advancements in artificial intelligence, and your study may provide them with insightful information. Offer AI-based solutions in emerging industries. Lastly, search for chances to use AI in developing sectors. AI technologies are being used in many areas that were not previously thought to be suitable applications as they continue to advance. These sectors include, among others, the medical field, agriculture, transportation, and education. You may establish yourself as a leader in the field and provide AI-based solutions to businesses in these sectors by recognizing these rising markets and comprehending the technologies and solutions required. This may support the expansion and advancement of these sectors in addition to helping you generate money. Conclusion: there are many opportunities for people to profit from AI as the need for this technology grows. There are chances to pursue a profession, provide services, produce products, or invest in AI-related companies whether or not you have a technical background. AI may be used to harness potential and provide a reliable source of revenue if you remain educated, keep learning, and spot the proper possibilities. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.